to the Crystalina perspective. As y'all can see, we have a pretty large size box here. So if you're interested in seeing the June quarter Archerandolive subscription box, stay tuned. Disclaimer, guys, there is one item missing out of my box. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys just a little peek of it. It is the wax seal. The design team boxes were created after the customers, so I shall get my wax seal soon, but a wax seal does come in the box. I'll drop a pic for you guys to see. Okay guys, so this box is like bright. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but we are going to open it and look at all the color. Like, y'all, oh, let's get into it. So y'all already saw it. We have a journal cover in this quarter's subscription box. And let's see what it looks like. Ooh, so disclaimer before I continue. For those of you that have never had an Archerandolive subscription box, all of the items are literally exclusive. They will not be sold on the site. So if you are interested in the sub box, grab you one while they're still available. Now, this is a journal cover. Ooh, I'm loving it. Look at this, y'all. I'm willing to bet it fits a travel size. Yeah, who happens to have a travel size notebook laying around? I do. This is the journal cover. It's cute. Look, y'all. Look. So we have two notebooks here. I know y'all wasn't ready for these right now. I'll save these for last. So, ooh, we have some acrylographs. These are dope. Ooh, looky. These are really pretty. What I love is that with these acrylographs, there are always new colors. So look at these beauties here. Perfect for summer. I can see some summer fruits being drawn with that. And then we got some washi here. Look at this. So, I left one out. We got 4 pieces of washi with this box. Absolutely love that. Set that there. Then we have these cute, die cuts that I am tearing up the paper. These cute little die cut stickers. They are so freaking cute. Yes. Some cute little die cut stickers. They feel like vellum material. So we have those. Let's see. What else do we got, y'all? I'll set that right there. Ooh, this is cute. So this is a decorative 10 notes card and one-sided dot grid paper. Y'all, this is, ooh, it's nice. Let's see. Oh, y'all. So these are essentially cards. This is so cute, and you can fill them in with whatever it is that you so choose. That's cute. Then we have some dark grid papers here, and then envelopes. So that's really cute. That's cute. It's like I saw this stuff a long time ago for the sub box, but I didn't remember. I did not remember. So I'll set that to the, I'm gonna set this to the side. And now, like I said, we will be getting a wax seal in the box. Mine's will be shipped to me separately, but we get 2 cute notebooks. Let's see what they look like. Let's see. So this is, of course, a traveler's notebook. It's so freaking cute. Y'all, look at this. I'm willing to bet that fits a traveler size. So cute. It is your dot grid. Really cute. And then we're going to open up this one. Is this a, it's like a B5 size one. Yeah, those two there's our truth, y'all. Let's see. I'm so excited, y'all. It's beautiful. It's so bright. I'm talking about this a B5 size. Yeah, this is an A5 size. Look at those pages. Are these pages colored? No, but the outside is. That is so bright and so pretty. Y'all, I'm telling you, you need this sub box in your life. You need it. So this is everything that comes in the June subscription box. You get 2 notebooks. You get some stickers here. You get some washi tape, some acrylographs. You get a journal cover, and then you get a decorative tin with no cards and one-sided dot grid paper that you can use for all of your crafts. And look, I am one happy person. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below about this Archerandolive June sub box. Let me know what you guys think. I love everything that came in this. I do. So let me know what you guys think. So until our next video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.